Essity will receive multi-million-pound funding from the UK government for its H2 trial. The Swedish company Essity, a global leading hygiene and health company that manufactures name-brand one-use products, including tissue, toilet rolls, and kitchen towels, has secured £2.2 million, $2.8 million from the UK government to try using hydrogen power instead of natural gas in its paper product manufacturing process at its Todd mill in Skelmersdale. The paper mill will become the first in the UK to use hydrogen for this purpose. Essity's Skelmersdale Todd mill produces giant rolls of paper, which are shipped to its other production sites around the UK. These giant rolls of paper are then converted into the finished products, such as plenty kitchen towels and Cochelle toilet rolls. The trial will involve the existing machine at the Todd mill. Part of the machine's drying process, powered by natural gas, will be switched to hydrogen power to cut down on CO2 emissions. This switch has the potential to lower the CO2 emissions that are currently produced from the paper manufacturing process by 66%. If the hydrogen power trial is successful, the technology could be rolled out at the mill on a permanent basis, as well as at other Essity production sites, including those in Trafford Park and Oakenhold. The £2.2 million in funding Essity will receive is through the government's £55 million, $70.6 million industrial fuel switching competition. As part of the £1 billion, $1.28 billion Net Zero Innovation Portfolio, NZIP. Andrew Hearns, a spokesperson who has led the project for Essity, said that sustainability is a major part of the company's global business strategy. We are committed to reducing our own carbon emissions by 35% by 2030 and reaching net zero by 2050, Hearns explained, adding that if this trial is successful, replacing natural gas with low-carbon hydrogen would dramatically reduce CO2 emission at Todd, and is a major step in the right direction to help us achieve our environmental goals. The trial will start in 2024. Following a £12 million, $15.4 million investment, the Todd mill was recommissioned in 2017 and helped Essity to become the UK's largest manufacturer of premium TAD through air-dried tissue paper. TAD makes softer and stronger toilet rolls. However, this requires an energy-intensive process and prompted the company to seek greener fuels for production. According to Hearns, the trial to determine if hydrogen power can be safely and efficiently used as an alternative fuel will begin in 2024. That's it for now. Make sure to hit subscribe and grab our free ebook. The link is in the description. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment down below.